Tile City employee fatally stabbed at work. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. An employee of Tile City and Home Center on Compton Spring Road is now deceased following a stabbing incident on the premises on Thursday morning. According to the Compton Spring Police, one individual is now in custody in connection with the killing.
Senior Superintendent Aaron Fletcher, Commanding Officer St. Anthony North Police Division. Earlier today, we had reports of a stabbing incident at Tile City, Compton Spring Road. Subsequently, we have learned that the injured man has succumbed to his injuries. I can tell you that the suspect is currently in the custody of the police, and the investigations are proceeding along the lines to treat with what has now become an incident of murder.
Senior Superintendent Aaron Fletcher, commanding officer for St. Andrew North Police Division, told reporters that the investigation into the fatal altercation are ongoing. Reports are that at about 10:30 p.m., two men said to be employees at the organization got into an altercation. Sources report that one of the men used a sharp instrument to stab the other. The incident forced the closure of the business place for the entire day. The employee of Tile City and Home Center on Compton Spring Road, who was fatally stabbed on Thursday morning, has been identified. The deceased has been identified as Gayland Grey, a 33-year-old sales employee of a St. Catherine address. The alleged perpetrator is said to be the warehouse supervisor at Tile City and Home Center. Information reaching Links 007 TV News is that the two men had a dispute when a knife was brought into play and used to stab Gray in his neck. Gray was taken to hospital by a co-worker where he succumbed to his injuries. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.